ஆச்சி ராயல் குலோப் ஜாமுன் பேக்ஸ் ஒன்று வாங்கினால் ஒன்று இலவசம்.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I am very happy than any other party member here, sir. I'll tell you the reason later. On behalf of my party leader and the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. M.K. Stalin, and my party colleagues here, sir, I extend my profound wishes profusely upon you with high hopes. Sir, every day dawns with new hopes. Every new year is expected by everyone that it will be prosperous than the previous one. Our life goes on with hopes. So also our wishes to you come along with high hopes. But those hopes are very genuine and simple in nature. As all my previous speakers, including the Prime Minister, the Leader of Opposition, Deputy Chairman, and my colleague Mr. Direk, sir, you are the custodian of this august house. You have been elected as the Vice President, that is the second highest constitutional authority of India, the largest democratic country in the world. And by virtue of that, you become the Chairman of the upper house, the second chamber, the Council of States. And you are the custodian and protector of not only the office you are holding, sir, but also the members, the proceedings, and its. Sir, it's not a building with bricks and mortar. It's an institution with a legacy where debates and deliberations have echoed. So there's a book, Humor in Rajya Sabha. If you go through that, we could see how blissful those days were, which we are missing nowadays. Nowadays, we only exchange some other things. Sir, since you have come here, we all believe and hope that a new chapter will begin. That what we expect is accommodate the opposition's views also. Democracy is not the rule of the majority. It's also taking along the minority and accommodating them irrespective of the strength. Sir, voice of dissent is the essence of democracy. Where the voice of dissent is strangled or curtailed, there the mill of democracy comes to a standstill. Sir, as I said, India is the largest democracy that has to be upheld in every manner by everyone. We all have responsibilities, and you have much more. Sir, there are a lot to say, but we don't want to say everything at the beginning itself. But as I said, you are from, everyone said you are from Tamil Nadu, sir. The land of rich heritage culture and a hoary language, and we have always valued human values and treated everyone equal. We have never been pirapokkum ella uyirkum, that all that are born in this world by way of birth are equal. So by having that in mind, in the previous positions you have occupied, in various capacities, you have displayed that, you have reflected that. You were a member of parliament in the Lok Sabha, and you were chairman in the Kaya board. You have been governor for 2 states, Jharkhand, the biggest one, Maharashtra, and now the vice president. Sir, let me conclude with one. You may recall, since you have been in the erstwhile parliament, as a member of parliament, sir, my submission to you is 2 things. One is treat us on par with the treasury benches. Second is, we missed the central hall, which was a bridge between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Sir, you may not be aware now that you have come here. We are missing that. So after 5 years, the new Lok Sabha members will go out without getting acquainted with us, and we will not know them. So prevail upon, use your officer to bring back the central hall in this new parliament house. And in the erstwhile parliament, in the Rajya Sabha, the chairman seat had a balance there. That is to treat equally both sides, which is missing here. It may be materially not carved in the chair, sir, but we expect that from you. The great sage, the one we are proud of the symbol of Tamil. Thiruvalluvar has said, "Saman செய்து சீர்தூக்கும் கோல் போல் அமைந்தொருபால் கோடாமை சான்றோர்க்கு அணி." How the balance stands and weighs, the balance rod stands and weighs equally, so also to be calm and with unbiased equity is the quality and soul of great people. You are a great person, sir. Come to a great position. Again, we humbly say that, everyone say that, and I am also reflecting the same, sir. We have also demands. If our demands are met with, we will be second to none in helping their house to run. DMK party has always upheld the democratic values and the spirits of the constitution, and I assure you on behalf of my party that we will extend our fullest cooperation for the smooth functioning of the parliament, and we expect, Chairman, from you, sir, a new chapter in this August House. Thank you very much.
ஆச்சி ராயல் குலோப் ஜாமன் பேக்ஸ், ஒன்று வாங்கினால் ஒன்று இலவசம்.
மின்னம்பலம்.com, தமிழின் முதல் மொபைல் பத்திரிகை.